Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. So, if you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading. So, that will follow this general energy, guys. If you have some doubts or confusions, you can watch that reading, guys. So, let's see. We have Six of Spheres in reverse, Page of Suns, and Ten of Spheres. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really skilled, talented, and people appreciate you for that, guys. And there are people around you in your work situation or in your personal life who appreciate you, who admire you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a fan in your situation, someone simply feeling inspired by seeing you, by seeing the way you are working, and they simply are envious of you. It may be a positive kind of an envy they have towards you, guys, and they are jealous of your skills, talents, and the way you do everything in the right way. So they are jealous and envious of you, guys, Taurus. And I also see that in your situation today, guys, maybe you are communicating to the people you love. Maybe certain things would have transpired in your life, your past, maybe some success or failure, whatever it is. You are speaking about that, communicating about your life. Maybe for some of you, you are having a deep talk or a communication with this person you love. So you want them to know everything about you, and you are telling them everything today, guys. So this person may be someone you truly love and you want to take this relationship to the next level. That may be the reason you are quite open with this person. And I also see that today you are going to be simply surprised, guys. There is some surprise waiting for you. Maybe someone you never expected is coming to visit you. It may be a friend you have not met for a long time, or some kind of a surprise gift may reach you. So some positive news or positive things are reaching you today, guys. And I also see that maybe the words spoken by someone, it may be someone really close to you. They may have they may have a good opinion of you, but they are they may be flattering you, guys. So someone is flattering you to achieve certain things. You should be careful about that person, guys, Taurus. So for some of you I see this, but for some of you this person is really a true fan. So they are really truly admiring you, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Lovers in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, maybe for some of you things are going in a very uncertain way. You don't know whether this person truly loves you or not. So that may be the reason we had the previous cards. The energy was open communication. Maybe that may be the answer, guys, for y'all today. So if you are not clear, you have to go for open communication with this person. So let's see what is the card for your. It's Master of Moons. So with this card in your situation, in your career situation, guys, you are going to see success today, and you may have people helping you, working with you, and you will be more successful if you take up something creative, guys, in your career situation. And you have talents, you have a lot of creative talents, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards and 2 crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So that is the energy with this card. So when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you, and it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams, but what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation we would have done something we regret, we would have hurt someone, maybe, or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us. And by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from this cycle of blame. So forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.